With summer in full swing, we often find ourselves walking around garden centres and just knowing not what to plant. How do we get it right? Are we choosing the right things? Well, folks, today I'm going to show you 3 summer winners. So the first one I want to talk about are the salvias. It's a relatively new salvia on the market through hybridization, which means it's been grown and bred specifically for tough South African conditions. Now that's what I like. It's called Mirage, Salvia Mirage. You can see it's got the typical salvia flower here, a bit of fur on the leaves when you touch it, so you know it's going to cope really well with the heat. It comes in this beautiful purple. I mean, look at that. Isn't that purple just gorgeous? Lovely purple. Comes in the pink for those of you that are looking for the English country garden, and in this lovely cream. Full sun, guys, so lots and lots of sun, at least 5 days sunlight, and these plants are just going to go on and on for you. Another member of the salvia family, which is the sage family, is this little guy over here, and got a very cute name, Sally Rosa. Look at it. It's almost like a Veronica, and it's got these lovely plumes, tall flowers, almost looks like a bit of a hebe. Low growing, very, very low growing, so only going to get to about 30 centimeters, quite spreading. Lovely grayish foliage, which is also great, loads of sun as well, and even what a combination. Look, if you had to put that next to the cream over here, really surely some good plants that you can use. And finally, oh man, I mean, look at this beauty. Isn't it gorgeous? This is Rudbeckia. This just screams summer, summer, summer. And look at the size of that flower. It's like almost as big as the palm of my hand. Beautiful yellows. Don't be scared to put yellow in the garden, guys. It makes other areas just pop. It really works beautifully. Furry leaves. One plant will get to about 25 centimeters and a little bit taller than this. And look, if we did this, watch carefully. If we took the purple, here's a Salvia Mirage next to a beautiful Rudbeckia, stunning. And then even if we took it one step further and we put this little mauve in the front, what a nice trio. There's a cool combination for you. Remember, whenever planting, dig your holes nice and big, folks. Lots of compost in, and of course some bone meal. If you've got dogs around, remember to substitute that with some superphosphate.